Nakakasiguro ka ba na yung dishwashing soap at hair shampoo ay safe sa coating na yung sasakyan? Ito yung ginagamit ko guys. Safe yung ating pintura for almost 2 years. So i-demonstrate ko sa inyo kung paano siya gagamitin. Pwede siyang gamitin sa timba or sa ating portable sprayer. Pero as of now, gamitin muna natin itong portable sprayer. Also guys, kapag nag-check out ka nito, may kasama ka ng libreng foam. Yan.
So what makes our Carglow Foam Shampoo unique? So first guys is 2-in-1 na siya. Wash plus wax. Wash and wax in one step. Clean and brightens paint at the same time. Second is ultra foamy. Thick, dense foam enhances cleaning and reduces friction to protect car paint. Third guys is unique look and scent. Guys, napakabango. Pink foam with a fresh strawberry scent for a fun wash experience. Fourth, Pro Shine, no Pro Gear, just add water. Guys, wala ka nang kailangan ihalo, tubig lang sapat na. And fifth is great value. We offer an extra 0.2 liter compared to similar products on the market. Guys, yung iba guys is 1 liter lang, sa atin is 1.2 liters. Napakasulit. Makikita mo bulang-bula talaga siya guys. Napaka-foamy ng Carglow.
Gaano kakintab? Yan, dito, pakita mo dito. Yan, o diba? Ang linis. Dahil dito sa ating 2-in-1 Snow Foam Car Shampoo, Wash and Wax. So guys, wala nang problema kasi coated na rin. If you want to get one of these, just click on the yellow basket below.